not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can see, I'm all dressed up. I don't know if you guys can see, but I just got to my first job interview here in Florida. I don't know how I feel about it. This place is an hour drive. Okay, I started driving since like 8:03 and I just got here 9:07, but I'm about to go in for my interview. You guys wish me luck. I really don't know if I don't think I'm going to take the job if this is going to be the location, because I cannot drive an hour to work every single day. That's just way too much. But my interview is for 9:30 and it's currently 9:08, so I'm quite early. It does say arrive 10 to 15 minutes earlier, so I'm here, but I'm about to go in now. But yes guys, I will update you guys afterwards. If you're a new one here, how did I forget? If you're a new one here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button in case you break it, destroy it, do whatever you like with it, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, hey guys. Whew. So guys, the interview is over. I just go back to the car. Someone is calling me.
Well.
Hello, mother-in-law. I just got out of an interview.
Okay, so how is it?
It was perfect. You know me, I'm blessed. They offered me the job on the spot, but I have to go think about it.
Why?
Because they're offering different positions in 2 different locations. And she was like, I'm overqualified for the position that is closer to me. But this place where I am now is 1 hour and a minute away from my house. Sorry guys, that was MIL. So guys, the interview, as you guys heard me telling her, was really nice. It went well. You know, I always say that I have oil on my head. If you're not Nigerian and you don't know what that means, it's just when you're always lucky, like things just work out for you. So when I went for the interview, the lady did offer me the job on the spot, and in fact she was even saying that I was overqualified for the position that was closest to my house, because there's a position open at their offices in different locations. So she was trying to keep me here because this is where she is, and she kind of likes me, because she was like, I think you're gonna do great here. This is a position better, but the next position only pays $1 more. Like $1 more is not enough money for me to be driving an hour away. That's the truth. Gas, everything, like, it's just not worth it. So I'm going to go think about it for an hour and give her a call and tell her I would like to take the position closest to my house. The time is all over the place, but it's somewhere to start from, grow with. So let's see how that goes. I'm about to drive back to base, so yeah, let's go. I'm not gonna drive with you guys. It's an hour drive, it's long, and I have no idea where I'm going, so I have to concentrate on my GPS. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Ooh, my tree is looking good. Hey guys, it's another day in Florida, and I have been busy editing video, posting video, because you guys know it's Vlogmas and it's not even easy, so let's not even talk about it. But right now, that thing over there, I need to set up the thing. It's a shoe rack. I showed you guys in my home decor haul. So I need to take that thing out of it and set it up, because all of the cartons that I removed all of those house decor stuff from, I need to go and throw them out. And I don't want to be throwing some out and having some, you know. I know that I'm going to be buying a lot of things, so I'm going to have a lot of cartons to be throwing away, but right now I want to throw all of them away at once. So I'm going to try to fix that now. Let's get the day started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Yay! I finally finished fixing it up. So this is what it looks like. That's the color. I really love the color. So when we come into the house, you know, from the door, we will pull our shoes here before we go into the house. That's the plan. I think it's really pretty. Just very simple. I might put a little decor on it much later, you know, but for now it's good the way it is. That wasn't even a lot of work, honestly. It was just like I don't know if any of you are like me, but it's so fun for me when I'm putting things together. It's like, oh my god, I have the power to break and make this thing, you know. It's just fun for me. So I'll see you guys later when Hobbs gets back and we go to the Dollar General, and then I'll show you guys how I'm putting all the other decor stuff. Okay, see ya all later. Hey guys.
Hi.
No I know I look crazy right now, but it's nighttime. What time is it, baby?
Nighttime.
So I did tell you guys we're going to go to the store. We just came back from the store. You guys, look at all the groceries that I have to put away.
Good job.
It's always my job to put the groceries away. I don't like it. So let me show you guys the things that we bought. It's not a haul, just to show you guys. I was telling you guys that we needed to buy something to put up stuff. So hubby bought, so we can use it to like screw things to the wall. So we basically just bought some little things that we can use until our stuff comes. Milk, water, veggies, fruits, sauces and spice, all of that good stuff. We want to start meal prepping, so we got this. It's salmon, and I'm going to make that with some spinach. We also have some more stuff here. Water, this. We've been trying to do healthy, so you know, we've been reading stuff. More veggies, some mushrooms, carrots. I got this for snack. It's just a blend of different kind of nuts, so you know, it's a healthier option than eating Oreos and stuff like that. So yeah, more fruits. So yes, that's what we got. So the TV stand came today. I know I showed you guys earlier, so we would try to put it up. We would try to put it up, but I don't know how that's gonna go. But let me go ahead and put the groceries away, and I will see y'all. So guys, I'm done putting up the whole groceries now, and I'm about to look for something to eat because I've only eaten one meal all day, so time to find something to eat. So guys, we are going to attempt to fix this TV stand. Pray for us, okay? Pray for us. Hubby's over here doing his thing. I'm doing good, baby.
You got made it somewhere.
Yay. Looks like this now. We've got many compartments. Okay, what next? So guys, this is the situation right now. I know you guys can see our fingerprints on it, but ignore that. I'm going to clean that up tomorrow. But you guys, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So this is how much I'm gonna show you guys. So the next you know, when I do a house update, you guys are going to see how I'm gonna decorate that place. I'm going to try to put things down here, you know, just put some nice decor at the top. For example, let me show you guys. For example, see, for example, those can sit right there. They're both gold and really pretty. So you see, like something like that, and then the TV could be in the center or hung up, as the case may be. I'm going to hang it up right there, and then this one is going to be just by the bottom. So this is something that I could possibly do, you know, just play around with it, put some decor. So yes, this is how much I'm going to show you guys. So when I do a house update, you guys are going to see how that fits into here and everything. Okay, So look at the carton down here. I'm gonna take that out tomorrow. I look so oily and tired that like you can tell. So anyways, that's it for tonight. See you guys tomorrow.